The 2023 Toyota Supra is agile and powerful with both of its turbo engines. What kind of car is the 2023 Toyota Supra? The Toyota Supra, a two-seater sports car, is Toyota's fastest and most expensive sports car. Other cars in the field include the BMW Z4, Jaguar F-Type, Porsche 718, Chevy Corvette and the Subaru BRZ/Toyota 86 Duo. The Supra 2023 offers the goods you expect from a sports car, with a range of motion and a choice of powerful engines. It has a stable ride and comfortable cabin, but it's a blast to drive. We assign the TCC a rating of 5.8 out of 10. What's new for the 2023 Toyota Supra? In its fourth year, the Supra is now available with a manual transmission for the Supra 3.0, 3.0 Premium and A91 models. The latter, the A91 MT edition, is limited to a production run of 500 examples for the United States. Additionally, the A91 MT is available in two unique exterior colors, Burnout and See You Later Gray, paired with a unique hazelnut leather interior. All Supra models get new tuning and suspension for better cornering, and the 3.0 and A91 models get a new feature called Hairpin Plus for more exciting handling. The Supra 3.0 Premium and A91 MT models benefit from a high-quality JBL audio system. The exterior design of the Supra leans toward the chaotic, with a basic hatchback coupe profile of curves, lines and scoops. However, wisely, the house is kept simple. Whichever Supra you choose, you'll find BMW-inspired wheels under the hood. The 2.0 version uses a turbo 4-liter 2.0 with an output of 255 horsepower. The 3.0 model gets a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six that makes power up to 382 brake horsepower, hits 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4.0 seconds and adds more character to the package. Both engines are reasonable to work well, and up to 28 miles per gallon combined from the 2.0 model. The entire Supra lineup is upgraded this year with new tuning and suspension. By saving the weight of about 200 kilograms over the 3.0, the Supra 2.0 is soft and light on its feet, with a responsive step and a good ride thanks to the 18-inch wheels and rubber. The Supra 3.0 model gets an upgraded suspension with adaptive dampers, limited electronic components to improve cornering traction, and 19-inch wheels. The new manual transmission is only available on Supras with the 3.0, and those models get maximum traction and braking for the manual gearbox. The Supra 3.0 and A91 models also benefit from the new Hairpin Plus function to improve cornering and climbing ability. There's little space inside the Supra, for everything from legroom to cargo space. The cabin is well built, but BMW's infotainment system has already done it. How much does the 2023 Toyota Supra cost? The 2023 Supra 2.0 has a base price of $44,365 with destination, and the Supra 3.0 A91 MT is $59,440. The 2.0 base features include leather and Alcantara upholstery, an 8.8-inch touchscreen, headless start and 18-inch alloy wheels with safety features such as active lane control and automatic emergency braking. Adaptive cruise control, a spotlight monitor and parking sensors are optional. 2023 Toyota Supra styling. Yes, it's striking, though not as elegant as the Toyota FT1 concept that inspired the design. It's sculpted with scoops and undulations, and arrives on the scene with authority. The bold exterior and calm interior earn a 7 here. The Supra's prominent haunches lend the look of a predator stalking its prey. The traditional sports car proportions, the classic short deck and long hood, take on a lot of design elements over a small surface area. The design is bold and handsome, although the character lines, ducts, and curves don't always play together nicely. For 2023, the A91 MT Limited Edition is available in two exclusive colors, matte white and See You Later Gray, both finished off with forged 19-inch wheels in frozen gunmetal gray, plus red strut tower braces and red Supra badging. The cabin in most Supra models come dressed in simple black, though red upholstery is available, and metallic trim and digital displays keep the vibe from feeling too much like a BMW. The 8.8-inch standard touchscreen display is mounted like a tablet on the horizontal dash. The cabin of A91 MT models gets elevated with cognac and hazelnut leather notes. 2023 Toyota Supra comfort and quality. Two supportive and comfortable bucket seats fill the Supra's cabin, though there's no back seat and only a small trunk. It pays for comfort. It's a chore to get in and out of a low-slung car, with a higher risk than banging your fist on a small door, and you won't feel like getting out of a low-slung seat. Good if you don't have the strength of the Pilates instructor. The seat and the wide transmission tunnel force a wide-legged riding position, although the bolsters support the seats themselves and provide 8 or 14-way adjustment. The Supra features a hatchback body without the typical generous cargo space. There is only 10.2 cubic feet of capacity under the hood, which may fit less than the average subcompact car. Leather lining is standard, complemented by synthetic suede inserts. The above is completely in leather. The soft touch area is always visible, looks and feels good. How safe is the Toyota Supra? As is common with a sports car sold in low volume, the Toyota Supra hasn't been tested for crashworthiness by the IIHS and the NHTSA. Therefore, we don't award a safety score. Active lane control and automatic emergency braking come standard, and blind spot monitors, adaptive cruise control, rear cross-traffic alert, and parking sensors are available. Which Toyota Supra should I buy? We will be happy with the Supra base, considering the kind of taste it offers at the right price. However, the 3.0 Premium is also worth considering, with sports pedals, heated sports seats and driver's seat storage and 14-speed electronic control, leather upholstery, head-up display, wireless phone charger, system 12-speaker JBL speakers, better brakes and the new Hairpin Plus function. The 6-speed manual is a new no-cost option on the 3.0 model for 2023. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. And as always, stay tuned for the next one. Thanks for watching.